sections, just
application
what we
logic
completed
over
there. I
multiple
think some of
missions,
you are
then that
joined
applications
with
are
these classes
called
from yesterday. I think
standalone
so, right?
applications.
Fine. So what I'm
Let's
telling
see
to
this
you,
punch. I'm giving.
if we
I want to give one
understand
simple
the
diagram for it. Try to understand this
total
diagram.
syllabus, if you observe this, just 1 minute,
Say
I'll give
for
some
example,
clarity for you.
I have a computer or mission. I used to say mission. Why? Because Java is a programming language nowadays, not only for computers. It would be used in so many
Just 1
areas,
minute.
in all
If you
electronics
observe the
devices,
content
in
here,
all electrical devices, in all mobile phones, like this, so many areas, we can see what their Java. That's why,
yeah, core
right,
Java
diagrammatically I'm
syllabus,
saying this is a
total
mission,
syllabus,
this is
if
a
you
computer,
understand
but it
it,
is nothing but what their
introduction
mission.
part, steps
It
to
may be
prepare
mobile
first
phone, it
application,
may be some
language
electrical
fundamentals,
device, it may be
and
some
so on and
mechanical
so on and
device,
so on.
it
The
may be some
total
electronics device, it
nearly
may be some parking
35
signals,
to
or it may be
37
like what
topics
the
are available
trafficking
up to the
signals.
latest version.
Maybe 3
Introduction
billion
part,
devices are
we have
using
started
Java
there.
nowadays.
In that introduction
3
part,
billion types
all of
of
you understand
devices
it,
are using
especially
Java.
those who started with our classes
Okay,
from
so I
yesterday
want to say
onwards.
it's
I'm
what
giving
their
clarity.
mission, not a
Java
computer. Okay,
history
fine.
and the differences
Within a
between
single
Java
device,
and
within a
others.
single
These
mission,
two topics
if
I
I
will
prepare
discuss with you
any
separately.
program,
I'm
this is
giving
my
clarity.
program. These
Understand
are
it
the
now?
lines of code.
Right. It's a hardly
Within a
maybe
single
4 or
mission,
5
if I
classes are
prepare a
required to
program,
complete this content. I
within
will
a single
discuss
mission, if I
these two
prepare a
topics
program,
separately. They are
then
not at all
this
dependent topics.
application, then this
Just
application
differences
is
between
called
Java and
as
others is the concept there.
standalone
There we are discussing
application.
about it. Some differences.
Then this
Pointers are
application is called
available
as
in
what
C, C++.
there? Standalone
Pointers are not
application.
available in Java.
Or
Java
simply
is a
speaking,
platform
it's
independent.
simply
C,
an
C++ are
application.
what
That's
there,
it.
platform
This is
dependent.
called as
Like this,
what
some
there? An
discussion
application, a
I
Java
made
application or
previously regarding
anything,
this
whatever it may
content.
be.
These
But
two
observe carefully,
points, concepts I
my
will discuss with
entire
you. No need to worry
application
for it.
logic is
Okay.
provided
The
within a
notes,
single
if you want
computer
to
or
check
not.
this, already in the same
My
document notes is
entire
available
application
that we
logic is
can
provided
check for
within
it.
a
No need to
single
worry for
computer or
it.
not.
If you require that videos
Recognize
also,
my point,
we are
what I'm
able to
telling
get
there.
further. No need
Within
to
a
worry for
single
it. Okay.
computer, we
But officially, I
provided
will
the
take these two
complete
classes
application
with you.
logic.
Then
Application
today,
logic
in the
is not
introduction part, I
distributed
want to
over
start from what
multiple
there
missions.
Java
There is no
features
concept
on
like
what
a client-server
Java
architecture.
features. It is also like
No
what there
concept like
an
client,
introductory
no
content
concept like
only.
server.
In introduction,
Client is
overall
not
5
sending
topics are
requests to the
available.
server. Server is
Today, I
not
want to
sending
start what
response to the
there
client.
Java features
Nothing. That type
onwards.
of
Try
environment
to
is not
follow
available.
this content
In a
clearly.
single
All of you are
computer,
getting
we
clarity
compile the
what I am
program.
telling to you.
In the same
Nothing is
computer, we
completed.
execute the
Just we can
program.
understand
In the
right from
same
today.
computer, we
You are able to
provide
understand
input to
each and
data.
every point
In the
clearly.
same computer,
Okay.
we got the
Right, sir.
output to data.
Now,
Everything is going on within
observe
a single
carefully.
computer.
Then today now I want to take what
Everything
there
is going
Java
on within a
history.
single
That means
computer.
Java features. The topic
Answer
I
my
want
point
to
clearly
start.
now. So this is exactly like what there,
Right,
a
sir.
standalone application.
See this
So no
content
client server
here,
architecture,
Java
and our
features.
application logic is not
So before
distributed
going to
over
start this
multiple
Java
missions. So
features,
this is
I'd
exactly
like to ask
the
one
meaning
question
of
to
like
all of
what
you.
there, client
I think all of
server
you are using
architecture.
smartphones, right?
Guys, all of you are getting my
No?
point or not clearly now?
No response.
Right, sir. That's okay, fine.
Good. So
So
without
this is the
smartphones,
meaning
our
of
life
like
is
what
not
there,
going to be
client
started on
server.
every day.
That
Am I
means
right?
standalone
That
application.
entire
I'm
world
telling
is
you.
going on
That's
with
okay,
the
fine.
smartphones only, with our
Right, sir.
phone
I
only.
understood.
That everything is
What is the
going on
meaning
in
of
phone.
this
Yes, definitely.
standalone
It is an
application?
advantage.
That's okay,
It
fine.
is an advantage actually.
But if you observe in outside, if we
Technology, the
observe in
technology is
outside,
available with our
how
hand,
many
so we can
applications are
play with the
standalone
world.
applications? Now
We
tell
are
me.
doing that.
If we observe in outside, how
Why
many
are thinking
applications are
differently about the
standalone
smartphones
applications
when
there?
I'm
Now
asking
tell
this
me.
question there? People are
Any
laughing. That
idea?
the point is what?
How many
No need to
applications
think in,
are
no need to go for
standalone
any
applications nowadays in
wrong
outside?
way of thinking. Just think about it.
Any idea?
Advantages of this content.
Right. Answer is very
See,
clear. Now try to understand
previously,
this
for
clearly.
example, if you want to transfer some amount of
Only
money from your account to
5%
your
of the
friend account, for example, how much time,
applications
what
are
exactly the work we have to do?
standalone
Think a minute
applications.
about it. You have to
Only
go for a bank.
5% of the applications are what
There
there?
we have
Standalone
to
applications.
wait almost 1 hour
Right.
to
And
1.5
before
hour of
this
time when our
5% of
token
the
is coming
applications
there.
get,
By the time
I'm asking
only,
to you,
first of all, we have to
first of all,
apply
tell
for
me
it.
what are the various
Then transfer
examples
form we
for
have to take. We
this
have to write the
standalone
details.
applications.
We have to send that
After that, we
transfer
will
form
think
to
about
over there.
how many
Some other
applications are
person in the
standalone
bank. We have to
applications.
wait for
First of
our
all,
token.
what are the
When
various
our token is
examples
coming
for
there, then
the
only the
standalone
amount is
applications
going to
known?
be transferred.
Right. I'm giving some
Understand
examples
it?
to
How
you. Now
much
try
time it
to
will take
understand these
there? How
examples
much
clearly.
time we are
First one
consuming for
is
that?
like what I'm telling you. Say, for
Understand it?
example,
Almost a half day of time we are going
in
to
my
consume
computer,
for it.
this is our
If the bank
computer.
is not
Inside
near
this
to our
computer,
house,
some
again
calculator is
1.5 hour
existed.
of traveling time time we have to
No, I'm
spend.
not talking about
But
the
now what is
calculator
going on?
device. That's leave it now. In my computer, in this
What
computer,
is going on?
calculator
It's
is
a fraction
available.
of
It's an app.
seconds. Open phone pay,
So that is
10,000,
what there
other
is a
person's
single
UPI
program
ID, finish, click
running
on
in a
enter button.
single mission. We will
Understand it
provide
now.
data
There
in
is
the
a technology,
calculator,
advantage
input
of
data.
technology.
It is
But
providing
of course,
output data for
drawbacks
us
are also
in the
available.
same
For
device.
every advantage,
Everything is going on
definitely some
within a
drawbacks are
single
available.
computer.
No need to think
So
about
this
the
is an
drawbacks
example
here.
for what
Try to
their
get
calculator
advantages of it.
application in our
So the
system.
point what I'm
Not
telling
only
to
that,
you, more technology,
calendar
more
is available.
advantages. At the same time, more
Calendar
drawbacks.
is available.
What is the main drawback
Calendar
with
is
mobile phone?
existed there.
Anybody
That
else?
calendar is also be what there.
What
It
is the main
doesn't have
drawback with
any
mobile
client
phones? No?
server architecture. Just it is an application.
Site
It's a
will come,
single
right?
application which is
We're getting
available
it.
in our
Automatically, we are
single
able to get what
computer.
is it. So 24 hours of time,
Is that, if you're
almost all,
following or not?
every minute.
Calendar is
See,
another
I don't know
application
what
there.
is the reason why
Like this,
some
for
people,
example, paint.
phone is there, even including me also.
Just now I
When
opened
I'm
that
teaching
paint,
the
the
content
diagram I
here,
given there.
after
It
15
is
minutes
also a
of time,
single program. It's also a single
automatically I
application
used to
which
look
is
on that
running
phone.
in my single computer. It is
Point
not
number one. Next
distributed
one is
over multiple
nothing
machines.
is available on my phone.
Got it
Automatically
or
I
not?
used to take that
So
phone,
all
I'll
these
refresh it.
concepts,
I don't
all
know
the
what is the
things are
reason
like
for it.
what there, and so on and so on and so on.
Every
All
10
these
to
are
15
like
minutes,
what
this
their
we are doing here.
standalone
Almost all this is like
applications.
what there is the
They are
most
not
dangerous
distributed
than
over multiple
coronavirus.
machines. That entire program is available
Right or
within a
not?
single computer.
All right, sir.
This
Now that is
program
not
is
my
running
intention
in
here.
my
Now the
computer
point is
only,
what?
not distributed in
So for
another computer.
example,
Half of the
listen
program in
carefully.
my
For
computer,
example,
remaining half of the
I
program
want
in
to take
another
a new
computer.
mobile
No,
phone.
no such kind of scenarios. No.
I want to take a new
That's
mobile
why
phone. I
these are
have
the
some mobile phone.
examples
It is
for what
totally
they
outdated. I want to
standalone
get a new mobile phone.
applications. That's okay,
So
fine.
I inquired about it.
In
What phone is
outside,
very good? Now tell
how
me, as per
many
your
applications are
suggestion, what phone is
standalone
good now?
applications?
Which phone is good?
In
Which phone is
outside, how
very good
many
phone?
applications are standalone applications? If you
The
observe this,
iPhone is okay fine.
only
Already I'm using that.
5% of the
Leave it.
applications are what there
OnePlus, okay.
standalone
The brand is okay fine. It is
applications.
somewhat better. OnePlus phone
Only
is good.
5%
What is
of
the
the
series
applications
now
are
at
what
present?
there
OnePlus is
standalone
which series is
applications.
going on there? 12. I think
Yes,
so.
all of you are
OnePlus
getting
12 is
clarity on
going
these
on.
points now.
12R,
That's okay, fine.
not a
Now,
T. Only 12R.
after
I think so. It
completion
is
of
going on.
this
Good,
particular
nice.
content here, then another
So
thing
I
here,
want to
what I am
take that
telling to
phone,
you,
that phone,
observe
but I
carefully,
don't know information about that phone.
observe
So I
carefully
went to
after
the
completion of
mobile
this.
shop, mobile store. I went there.
Immediately
There,
we are
when I
getting
entered
a
in that
question.
mobile
When I give
store,
in this
then people have
5%
asked
of the
to me,
application is
"What do you
standalone
want to there?"
application,
Then
immediately
I
we are
asked
getting a
them,
question.
"Just I want to take a phone. That OnePlus
Sir,
12R, some brand
standalone
name I know,
applications are
only
only
brand name I
5%
know.
in the
Just
sense
give some details about it. I want to take that phone."
our opportunities
Immediately, what that
level is
mobile
also
shop
be
representative is
5% in
able to give
outside.
information to me,
Am I
what the
right or
mobile
not?
shop representative is
If a
able to give
standalone
information to
applications
me,
are available in the
just
5% in the sense,
within 5 minutes of time,
automatically our
able to
opportunity
explain
level is
everything
also
about that
be
phone or not?
5%. So
Yes,
because
understand my
of
example.
5%
Able to explain
opportunity
everything about
level,
that phone or not?
today we are coming for
What
this demo
everything
class,
he
and
able to
today we
explain
are
there?
deciding to take Java classes
OnePlus
now.
12R is a
As a
brand
Java
name.
weightage is only
It's a
5%.
dual SIM mobile phone. Understand it
Is that
clearly.
only
This is
5% of the
motherboard. This is a
recruitments are going
quotation
on in
for
Java?
motherboard. RAM size
Or
is
we are
like
coming
this.
for the Java
And
only
what
because
next
of
one?
5%
Internal
of
memory is like
opportunities
this.
level?
And a dual
Is it
SIM.
necessary
Camera
to learn Java?
specifications. Battery
Am I
backup.
thinking about
Understand my
it?
point? Battery
But
lifetime.
I'll give one
So
point
everything
clearly
within
to
five
you.
minutes
Now
of
try to
time,
understand my
able
point.
to explain everything about that mobile phone or not?
It's a direct
Listen carefully.
utilization.
I have not seen that. I have
It's
not
a
seen the taste
direct
of that mobile phone.
utilization
I have not used that
is
mobile phone. I have
5%
not taken that
only.
mobile
Yes, I
phone.
do agree
But
that.
still, I
It's a
got some
direct
details about this
utilization is
mobile
only
phone or
what
not
there?
before using
5%
that
is
mobile phone.
only. But,
Understand it clearly.
it's a
Similarly,
dependency level. It's a dependency
before
level
learning
is
Java
a
programming
1000%.
language, if you want to get some details about
It's
the
a
Java in
dependency
a five
level is
minutes
what
of time,
there 1000%.
in a nutshell, or in a 5 minutes of time,
It's a
if you want to
dependency level
get
is what
some
there
description about
1000%.
Java, if you want to know something about
Sir, what
Java
is this
within a five
mathematics
minutes
today?
of time, there we
5%
have
is
to
at
go
one
for what
side and
their Java
1000% you are saying
features.
that. What is this actually?
Java features is not any other
I'll give some
concept,
clarity.
just
Try to
it
understand this now.
provides some details about
Next
our
point is
Java
important here now.
programming language.
It is
Java
a
features is
dependent
giving some
programming language.
information, some description
It's a
about the Java
dependent programming
programming
language
language, not any
for
other
the
data. Yes, sir, got
technologies
it or not? Just like
and
we can understand.
tools.
I think so nowadays in
For the
outside movies are
technologies
going
and
on. Am I
tools
right?
like below.
Movies.
What are
Then
the
every
various
might be time to time
technologies and
movies are
tools are
released.
available? Just we
Am
can
I right or
understand
not? Or
clearly.
the latest movie is
The
a
very
good
first
movie.
one is like what there. If you want to
Was it?
learn J2EE,
I'm not getting it.
first of all, we need to have awareness of
After
what there
Bahubali, I was
J2SE.
totally disconnected with
Without knowing
movies.
J2SE, we
What's
are
the
unable
latest
to
movie there?
understand J2EE.
Huh?
Got my point or not?
What's
That
that?
is one thing. Here we have to understand.
Hanuman, right?
Next one
Perfect.
is
Yeah, recently
another point
I
is
listened
what
it. I
there
think
is a
very good feedback
dependent
is going on for that
technology
movie.
for
But I don't know who is that
like
hero
what there
actually. But anyway,
selenium
I heard
selenium
about it. He was
testing
a
is
child
available.
artist
Selenium
previously.
tool is
Now he
available.
turned as
The
what there?
total
A hero.
Selenium
That's
tool is
okay, nice.
designed
Whatever
on
it
the
may be.
top of J2SE.
So Hanuman
So if
movie,
you want
that's
to
okay,
work
fine.
with the testing
See,
tools,
not only
definitely we should
Hanuman
know
movie,
what their
if you take
J2SE.
any movie,
Selenium is depending on what their
previously the
J2SE.
culture of
Core Java.
introducing movies is
J2SE is nothing
different.
but what their
At
core
present, the
Java in
way
our
of introducing movies
terminology.
is different.
Next one, after that,
Now at
it's a
present,
dependent
what
programming
that the
language
movie people are
for
following the
Salesforce.
conventions. First, they
Some
want
other
to go for
technology
what
or tool
their
is
trailer
available.
launch.
Salesforce is also be
Yes,
another
sir. Am I
tool.
right or
It's
not?
also
Trailer
be
launch.
designed on the
And
top
before
of
that
like
or
what
after that, I
their
don't know.
J2SE.
First look,
If you want to learn
second look.
Salesforce, we
Of
must
course,
know
that
we must
number
go
is
for what
there
their
depends,
the
right?
J2SE
First look, second look,
technology.
third look, or
Right.
fourth
So
look.
then after that,
If it is a RGB
some
movie,
Android
everyday look
mobile
is going on.
application development.
Am I right or not?
Android mobile
Fine, not
application
like it.
development is
Fine. Now
available.
leave this
That is
one
also
again.
be depending on what
So
their core
trailer launch
Java.
they used to
If you
conduct.
want to
For
learn
what
Android,
purpose they are
definitely we
providing the
should know
trailer launch?
something in what their core Java.
See,
Without
understand it.
having
In the
knowledge on
trailer
core
launch,
Java,
a,
J2SE,
a
we are
byte
unable
they
to
are going
prepare
to
applications
introduce
with
about that movie.
Android.
In that byte,
Next one
they
is
are going
apart
to
from this,
give the total
SAP tools
description
are
of that
available
movie.
like ABAP or
The
HR or
total
something
nature
else.
of that movie easily
All
we are
these
able to get.
SAP
Just if we
tools
see
are
the
also
trailer,
be depending on like
the
what
trailer
their
maybe the duration of the trial is
J2SE.
1 minute, 1.5
Core
minute, or 2
Java,
minutes of time
SAP,
max.
SAP related
If it
tools
is
are
3 minutes, no,
designed on
is
the
a
top of
more.
like what their core
Nobody will
Java.
introduce the trailer with the
Not
3
only
minutes
that,
of
big
time.
data
Just matter
analysis,
of 1 minute or 1.5 minute max.
Hadoop is
Only
available. Big
shots.
data analysis
But if you
is
see
also
the
be
trailer,
depending on
easily we
the
can
top of
guess
like
it. What
what their
exactly the
core
nature of that
Java.
movie?
That is
Which type of movie
J2SE.
that is? What type
Not
of
only
background is
this,
going on in that
just
movie?
examples
Everything
only
we
I've
can get in
given.
our minds.
Like this,
Understand it now. So
so
how the
many
trailer is
technologies and
provided
tools are
for a
available
movie,
which are dependent
similarly,
on like
the
what their
trailer for Java is
J2SE.
what their Java
Because of this reason
features.
only,
Java
I'm telling to
features is
you,
a trailer
it's a
for Java
direct
programming
utilization is only
language. The
5%,
real Java we are
but
going
its
to understand
indirect
one
utilization is
by one
what there,
clearly. But first of all, we
1000%,
have
not
to
even
understand what is
100%.
Java. Further, Babas, we are going to
100%
understand
will
like
be
what
covered
their
in only what their
Java
J2E,
features.
J2EE.
All of you are
And that
comfortable? All
J2EE
of you
is
are
designed on
understanding
the
the
top
point
of what
clearly?
their
What exactly the
J2SE.
point I am telling
If
you
you
know?
want to
Now
prepare
understand it
applications
clearly.
with the J2EE, definitely
To
we have to use
describe
J2SE quad.
the nature
So
of,
where
to
100% is
describe the
completed,
nature of
but
Java
remaining
programming
technologies and tools are
language,
also be designed on the top
Java
of what their
programming language,
J2SE. That's why I said to you,
Java
it is
has
like what their
provided the
1000% is a
following
dependent programming
set of
language.
features. Java
The
programming
simple
language has
scenario, if no
provided
core
the
Java,
following set
if
of
no Java, if
features.
no
So
J2SE,
last, that
there is
font size
no
is okay,
software
visible to
industry
all of you
almost
know,
all.
right? Nice.
But remaining
Now,
one or
what
two
are the
technologies we are
various
not
features
giving
which are
much effect for
provided
the
by
Java.
Java?
So Java
All
is
right.
a
What are the various
dependency
features
level
which
is
are
like that.
provided by
The entire software
Java? That's
industry
okay,
is
fine.
depending
Observe
on like
carefully.
what their
Now, the
J2SE
first
part,
one is what
core
there?
Java.
A simple programming
Guys, all of
language.
you are following my
The
points or
first one is
not?
what there? A simple
Simple,
programming
very,
language.
very
I'll
simple
explain
points
one
only.
by
I'm
one,
not
one
giving the
clearly.
total
Each
Java
and
in
every
a
one I'm
single day.
able to explain.
So
First
first
of
try to
all,
understand
let me
how
list
many
out
parts are
all the
available,
features
what is
clearly.
the
First
purpose
one is
of
what
each and
there?
every part
Simple.
that we have to
And
understand.
the next one is
Let's see
what
what are
there?
the points here I discussed with you up
Object
to now.
oriented. Next one
Alright
is
sir,
what
I said
there?
to you initially
Object
Java is available
oriented.
like what there
And the
three
third one
parts.
is like what
Core
there?
Java, Advanced
Platform
Java, J2E. This is wrong
independent.
terminology.
Platform
This is
independent.
not a
And the
right
fourth one is what
terminology.
there?
Please recognize this.
Architectural
This is wrong
neutral.
terminology. This is not right
Architectural
terminology. Understand this
neutral.
clearly.
Fourth one is what
Next one
there?
is after completion
Architectural
of this. What
neutral.
is right
And the fifth
terminology?
one is
Then I
what
give you
there?
some
Portable.
some terms
Fifth
here.
one is what there? Portable.
J2SE
And
or
the sixth
Java
one is
SE.
what there?
J2EE
Robust.
or Java EE.
Robust programming
J2ME
language.
or
Robust.
Java ME.
After completion of this
J2SE
robust, the next
points
one is
here are
what
given there.
there?
What are the various points of
Dynamic. Seventh one is
J2SE?
what there? Dynamic.
Java to
And the
standardization.
next one is like
Abbreviation are
what there?
given.
Eighth
What
one
is
is
the
what there?
J2SE? Java to
Distributed.
standardization.
After this dynamic,
Guys, now all of you now tell
distributed.
me
Okay, fine.
what it will
After
cover
this, before
actually.
this distributed,
Come on, guys. What it
secure
will cover
programming language.
actually?
Java is a
Only
secure
fundamentals
programming
of
language.
Java
And the ninth one is what
programming.
there?
Right. By
Distributed
using
programming language.
fundamentals now
And
of
the
Java
tenth one is
programming,
what there?
what applications can we are able to
Multi-threaded
prepare
programming
now?
language.
Come
Tenth
on,
one is
what
what there?
applications can we are able to
Multi-threaded
prepare?
programming language.
Only
And the 11th one is
standalone
what there?
applications
An
can we are able to
interpretive
prepare.
programming language.
What is
And the
standalone
last one,
application
12th one is
here?
what
I
there?
given some
High
definition for it. What is
performance
standalone
programming
application?
language.
Come on,
High
if we
performance
design and
programming language.
execute
That's it.
any
These are all
application
features of
with or
like what
without
there?
using,
Java.
with or without using?
All of you are getting my
Without
point now?
using client
So
server
this one,
architecture or without
to
distributing
describe
application logic over multiple
the
machines,
nature of
then
Java
that applications
programming
are
language. To
called
describe the nature of the
standalone
Java programming
applications.
language,
Then
Java
the
has
applications are called
provided
as
the
what? There
following set of
standalone
features.
applications.
What are the various
Examples for the
features which are
standalone
provided by
applications are what?
Java?
There
First one is what? They're
calculator,
simple,
calendar,
object
paint, and so
oriented,
on.
platform
How many
independent,
applications are
architectural
standalone
neutral,
applications now?
portable,
5%
robust,
of the
dynamic,
applications are what
secure,
there? Standalone
distributed,
applications. Right,
multi-threaded,
sir. What is its direct
interpretive.
utilization
Then what next
actually?
one here?
5%
High
only,
performance
but it is a
programming language.
dependent programming language
Clear?
up to 1000%.
Now here our job is what there?
Now it is a
Understanding
dependent
one by
programming
one
language
by
for
one
the
clearly.
technologies
Each
and
and every
tools
point
like
here
below.
we
What are
have to
these? No,
understand clearly.
J2EE,
Alright,
second
sir.
part of the
Let's move
Java,
on to the
second
points.
module of the Java. It's purely
The
dependent on
first
what
one
there?
is what? What is
J2SE.
that very first one
Selenium,
here? A
Salesforce,
simple
Android, SAP
programming
tools, Hadoop,
language.
and so on and so on and so on and so on.
Simple
So
programming
many,
language. As I
so
said
many
to you
technologies
already,
and tools are depending
then
on
one
what
point
there?
is very clear. If
J2SE.
I go to your
Almost 90
parents,
to
if I ask your
95% of the
parents, tell
software
me something
industry
about your
is
child,
depending on what there?
every parent will say
J2SE,
that
core
what?
Java.
What your parents are able to
Perfect.
say, no,
Understand this
no,
point
my
clearly.
child is innocent
That's
only.
okay, fine.
Of
Now
course, you
these
are
are
too
the points
worst.
here we can understand about
But
like what
still,
there
your parents are
J2
saying that
SE part.
my child is innocent.
Got
You
clarity
don't
up
know
to
how
this
to
point now?
survive in
J2
outside.
yes, you know.
That
Shall
is
we move
extra
on to the
tagline.
J2EE?
Okay.
Can I go for the
That
J2EE?
similarly,
Right, sir.
every
Now the second
programming
one is like
language
what there
vendor, they're able to say, my
J2EE.
programming language is simple.
J2EE.
But
What
we have to ask
exactly
that
this
programming language
J2EE?
vendor,
Let's see
tell
this
me
one.
how your programming language is simple. Then definitely they will give that programming language features. How it is simple, they're able to give some points now.
Okay.
Now what Java people have given
J2EE, or
information
we can call it
about
as
to
like
say
what
their
there
programming language is simple. The very first one is what
Java
there. Observe
EE.
carefully.
Either J2EE or
Java
we can
is a
call it as
simple
what there
programming
Java
language.
EE.
Java
That's
is a
okay, fine.
simple programming language. Why? Because observe
Let's come for
carefully.
the
Why?
point here.
Because what
First
Java
of all,
has
we have
given
to
the points here.
understand what is the
The very first one is
abbreviation for
what there.
J2EE, guys. Guys, now
Java
tell me what is
applications
J2EE actually?
will take less execution time and less memory.
Tell me,
Yes, sir.
what is
Got
this
it? The very first
J2EE?
point here, what
Any
I'm telling to
idea?
you. Java applications
What's the
will
meaning of this
take less
J2EE?
execution time and
Java
less
2
memory. Got it or not?
Enterprise
This is the reason
Edition.
why we can conclude that
Or we may call
Java
nowadays, we
is
may
what
call it
there?
as
A
what there?
simple programming
Java
language. Point
Enterprise
number one.
Edition.
In already one point. If it is less
That's it.
execution
Only
time,
abbreviation here I'm telling you.
more
Now try to understand
performance.
this
If it
clearly.
is less memory, less
Java
cost
2
for the end
Enterprise Edition
product.
or Java
But finally,
Enterprise
we are
Edition.
going to
This is
prepare
point
these
number one.
programs for a particular product.
Clear.
That product cost will be reduced
J2SE,
if it is
Java
less
2
memory.
Standard Edition
If
or
it is
Java
less
Standard
execution
Edition.
time, performance will be
It
more.
covered
More
or it
performance
will
here we are able
cover
to get.
only
So this is
fundamentals
one
of the
reason
Java.
here we have to understand.
J2SE will
Listen
cover what
carefully,
there?
all of you know.
Fundamentals of the
Other
Java.
reason is like
But
what? What is
now
that other reason here I'm
J2EE,
telling to
Java
you?
2 Enterprise Edition, what it will
Java
cover?
has
What
removed
it will cover? It
all
will
the
cover. Guys, observe carefully.
confusion oriented program,
It will
confusion
cover
oriented features.
server side
Java has
programming.
removed all the confusion
Whenever
oriented
I'm telling
features
server side
like
programming,
what are these
obviously it will be
confusion
on
oriented
the
features?
client
No,
server architecture or
like
not. Obviously,
pointers.
it will be on
Actually,
what there?
pointers are
Client server
available in
architecture. So
C
it
and
will
C++,
cover what there?
but it is a confusion
Server
oriented
side
feature. It was
programming.
removed inside the
Nice.
Java,
It
not
will cover
available.
server side
Pointers are available
programming.
or not available in
By
Java?
using server
Not
side
available. But
programming,
which are
what type
available
of
where?
applications here we are able
C
to
and
prepare?
C++.
By using
Pointers,
server side
comma.
programming, what
What
type
next
of
one? You
applications
know,
here we are able to
multiple
prepare? Any
inheritance.
idea for
It is
this one?
available in C++,
Right. Answer is
but
very
it is
clear.
not
Try to
available in
understand it
Java.
now.
Why? Because
It
it is
can
also
be
a confusion
used to
oriented
prepare.
feature and
It
so on
can
and
be
so on
used
and
to
so on. Some of the
prepare
features here we are providing there. So they are not
enterprise
available inside the
applications.
Java.
It can be
Why?
used to
Because
prepare
they are
what application
confusion
there?
oriented features.
Enterprise
Why, sir?
applications.
Why these
Other name
confusion
is
oriented
available
features are removed from
or
Java? Why these features
distributed
were removed from Java?
application.
Why?
Other name is
Because
what
to
there?
make Java as what
Distributed
there? A simple
applications.
programming
Come on, guys. All
language.
of you now tell me.
To make Java as a
It
simple
can be
programming
used to
language, all the
prepare
confusion
enterprise
oriented features
applications
are
or
removed.
distributed
All of you getting it or not?
applications.
Listen carefully. Third
All of you
one,
getting clarity or not?
observe
Come on, guys. Now
carefully.
tell me. It can
Java
be
is
used to prepare
using
enterprise
all
applications or what next one there?
simplified
Distributed
syntaxes.
applications.
Java is using
Then
all
what is this
simplified
enterprise application
syntaxes.
and what is
What are
this
the simplified
distributed
syntaxes?
application?
No, high
Quite
level
opposite to
syntaxes
the
totally.
standalone application.
Int I is equal to 10.
Quite opposite
Int
to what
I
there?
is equal
Standalone
to 10. Very
application.
simple
Observe
syntax.
carefully, guys, what
Declaring
I'm telling.
variables, of course,
Now
which is
here, my
followed by
question
C
is,
and C++.
what is standalone
The same we
application?
are
That means
using
what is an
inside the
enterprise
Java also.
application? Or what
Java is not
distributed
having
application?
different set
This is
of
my question.
syntaxes. What syntaxes we
Answer
have
is
used
very
in
clear.
C and
Now
C++?
try to understand this answer
90%
clearly.
of the syntaxes are
Right, sir.
repeatable
Now the
inside
point
the
is like
Java.
what
Why?
there?
Because already the syntaxes are
If we
simple.
design
But
and
confusion oriented
execute
syntaxes are available
any
in C and C++.
application,
They are not allowed inside the Java.
if we
In
design and
Java,
execute any
every feature,
application
every syntax is a
on the basis
straightforward
of,
and
previously I
bold.
said you,
That's it.
without using. Now
Everybody
I'm
can
telling there
understand the
on the
syntaxes
basis
of
of
Java. Because of this reason,
Client
we can
server
conclude that Java
architecture
is what there? A simple programming
or by
language.
distributing
I'm asking this question to all of you. Try to
application
answer for it.
logic
How can you say
over
that Java is a
multiple
simple
machines,
programming language? Come on,
or
how
by
can you
distributing
say that Java
application
is a
logic
simple
over
programming
multiple
language?
machines, then
Java
that
applications will take
applications
what? Less
are
execution
called,
time,
that
less
applications are
memory. Next one
called
is what
what
there?
there,
Java has
either we can call
removed
them as
all the
distributed applications,
confusion-oriented features like
or we can call them
pointers
as
and
like what there,
multiple inheritance.
enterprise
That's nice. What is the third
applications.
point here?
Both are same.
Java
Enterprise
is
applications,
using
either
all
distributed
the
applications or
simplified
enterprise
syntaxes.
applications.
Because of these reasons, we can conclude
Understand
that
it clearly.
Java is what
See,
there?
let's
A
see this
simple
point here. I'm telling
programming
you clearly.
language. Clear? Can I move forward?
The
Can I
diagram
go
here, I
for the
want to
next
provide.
point
This
here?
is standalone
All right, now
application
tell
here, we
me,
understood. Am I
what
right
is
or
the
not?
next one here?
This
The
is
next
exactly like
feature
what
of the
there,
Java is what
standalone
there?
application.
If you understand it,
To prepare this standalone
object-oriented
application here,
programming
what we
language.
required here, no,
Java is what there?
JPSE or Java
Object-oriented
SE, the
programming
technology we
language.
required to prepare
This
this
is the
application.
next feature that we
Now,
can
similarly
identify
now,
clearly.
what is this
All right,
distributed
sir.
application?
Java
What
is
is
what
this
there? An
enterprise application?
object-oriented programming
Put more
language.
concentration.
Simple example. All of you
Totally, it
understand
is
it now.
depending on what their client server architecture.
Three
So
members I
this
want
is
to
client
take.
mission.
3 persons. Listen,
This
all of
is
you
what
listen
their
carefully.
client mission.
3 persons.
At the same time,
One is
here I'm going to take like what there another
Kid.
mission, that is what their server mission.
the 1 year kid. 1 year kid in the sense,
This
you know,
is
already
server
even
mission.
the teeth also be not available, right?
All right.
1 year kid, just as a
When we
baby.
have taken client mission and server
Next one
mission,
is, second person is 80 years old man.
client
80,
mission and
almost
server
near to
mission,
expiry
when we
date.
take like this,
Old
in
man,
between this
80 years
client
old
and
man.
server, some
The
network is
third one
required or not?
is like you,
Some internet or some
youngster,
network is
young,
required or
right?
not? So definitely
Yes,
here
sir,
we
got
record
it?
what there, some
You're young or
network.
not?
This is network.
Some people are might be
Network is
seriously, they are
required.
looking at my face and I don't know what is the reason
It's
for
a
it.
communication
Any doubt on
between
it?
client and server.
Fine. Okay, fine.
That's okay, fine.
You're youngster. That's okay, nice.
At the server
Good.
mission, we required a program. Server side
So,
program is
here my
required.
point is,
At the
I want
server
to take
mission,
one
we
apple.
required what there, server side
If
program.
I give
Now
an
this is
apple
like
to
what I'm
the
telling to
1
you,
year baby,
server side program.
how that baby is able to eat that apple now, tell me. Is it possible for that
Everybody
baby?
understand this clearly.
Without
This is
having
like what
teeth,
there, server
tried,
side program.
but not possible. Am I right or not? But tried, but not possible. Just 1 year kid, 1 year baby. How it is possible, right?
Then
No,
here,
okay.
both the programs are running.
The same apple,
And
the
between
same or
that,
different,
between
whatever it may
these
be,
two, no,
apple.
some
If I give
protocol
one
is also
apple to
existed,
the
but not
80
required
years
immediately.
old
So
person
both the
there,
programs are running.
then how much he able to
When
eat
both
it?
the programs are running, first of
There
all,
also be
client
almost all the
program will
teeth are in
submit a
what there,
request to
in
the
what I'm
server
telling there.
program.
Almost a ending
Client
stage, right?
program will submit a
But he
request to
tried
the
for
server
it at
program
least a
through the
little bit
network.
able to eat.
First network will take
Not
that
completely, a
request.
little bit.
Network will carry that
Yes,
request
sir,
to
got it
like
or not?
what there,
At
server
least
side program.
25% of the apple he
With
able
this
to eat it.
request,
Why?
server
Because
side
already had
program
very
will
good
be
qualifications.
executed.
At one side
Server side
sugar, other
program will
side is
be
what BP,
executed totally.
all these things. How we able
By
to
the
eat that apple
execution of
now,
the
right?
server side program,
No, okay,
some
fine.
response will be generated. That
Third
response will
case,
be
what
given
about third
to
case? No,
like
you.
what they,
The
that
one apple
response
is
will
not
be given
sufficient,
to
right?
the network.
Definitely,
Network
2
will
to 3
carry
apples
that
you
response
required. Am I
back
right or
to like
not?
what they to the
Good.
respective client.
Observe
Now
carefully.
here also be this program is running.
1
By the
year
execution of this
baby
program only,
unable to eat
request
that
will be
apple.
submitted to the server
80
side
years old
program.
man
By the execution of
able
the
to eat
server
that
side
apple up
program,
to 20% or
automatically some
25%, not
response will be
completely.
given back to like
But
what their
you are
client
able to eat
program.
totally that apple. Am I right or not?
Everybody understand this point clear?
Got it or not?
All
Listen
right, sir. Now,
clearly.
after completion of this, here the point is like what there.
Apple is object
Now, okay, I want to
orientation.
write like what there. This is a client
Apple is
application.
object
Now, this
orientation.
is
It is a
what I want to say
theory.
there. This is like
It is
what
a
there,
concept.
server application.
1
Now,
year
this is
baby
a
is there
request
now.
from client to the network.
It is a C
Network will carry
programming
that
language,
request to like what
unable
there,
to
server side
represent that
program.
object
Now,
orientation,
server side program
not
will give a
representing anything about
response
object
back to
orientation,
the
unable
client.
to eat
Now,
it.
network will carry
Next
that
one is
response
80
back to
years
like
old
what their
man is there
client.
now.
At the
20
client
percentage or
mission, we are
50
able to
percentage is able to eat
display
it
that
now.
response, which
C++
is coming from
programming
server.
language able to
Now,
represent
observe
that
carefully. This
object
entire
orientation up
application,
to
this
some
entire
percentage, not
application
completely.
is going on with the
Right.
client server
Now you
architecture
only
or
give the
not?
next answer. You, I'm
This
talking about you.
entirety is
What is
going on
that
with
you?
what their client server
Java
architecture.
programming language.
Now
Perfect.
here,
You represent the
application logic
total
is
object
distributed
orientation.
over
You're able
multiple
to
machines
eat
or
the
not?
complete table or not.
Application
So
logic is
Java is
distributed
able to
over
represent the
multiple machines or
complete
not?
apple.
This is one computer.
Means
This
that
is
the
what their
total
another
object
computer.
orientation is
Over two
represented in the
computers,
form
my
of like what
application
there?
logic is
Java.
distributed or not?
So here
So
the
that's
point
why
is
this type
what?
of application is called as like what there,
Java Java is
enterprise
able
application,
to, Java
or
is
what
an
next one there?
object-oriented
Distributed
programming
application.
language. Why? Because it
Understand,
is
guys, what I'm
able to
telling you? Nothing else.
represent the
It's very, very
complete
simple now. First of all,
object-oriented
here what we have
features.
done there now,
It is
try to
able to
understand this
represent
now.
the complete
Then when we
object
execute both the
orientation.
programs at a time,
How it
Client
able to
program will
represent the
submit
complete
request to the
object
server
orientation?
program
I'm
through
telling to you
network.
clearly.
First, network will
If
receive your
any
request.
programming
Network will carry
language
that
is
request to the
representing
server-side
data
program. By the
completely
execution
in
of
the
the
form of
server-side
objects,
program, some response will be
completely in the
generated.
form of
That response
objects,
will be
object is not
distributed,
any other one,
generated to the
memory
respective
block.
client through the network.
Memory block.
First
While
of all,
representing
that
data,
response will
a
be
set of
given to
rules and
like what their
regulations are
network,
available.
and the
They are
network
nothing
will
but
carry that response to like what
object-oriented
their client
features.
application.
They're nothing but
Finally,
what their
client is submitting request to
object-oriented
the server.
features.
Server is generating some
Object is a
response
memory
back to
block.
like what their
To store
client.
data in an object,
Got it
a
or not?
set of
This is
rules and
exactly the
regulations
meaning
here
of
we
like
have
what
to
their
follow.
client to
They're
server
what their
architecture based
object-oriented
application.
features.
So
All
this
of you understand it
application
clearly.
is called as
All
like what
right.
there an enterprise
Representing that
application or a
object-oriented
distributed
features are not
application.
representing object-oriented features. That
Distributed
depends on the
or
programming languages.
enterprise
C
application.
programming language is not representing any object-oriented feature. C++
To prepare
is
this
representing up to
distributed or
some part,
enterprise
but Java is
applications, what
representing
technology here we
effectively.
required here? No,
Java is representing what there
J2EE or
effectively.
Java
Understand my point,
EE
sir?
is
So
required to
because of this
prepare
reason, we can
these
conclude
enterprise
that
applications
Java
or what
is
next
what
one? No,
they an
distributed applications here we
object-oriented
can understand.
programming language. I'm giving statement, try to understand
Right,
it
sir.
now.
All of you get my point or not?
Java is an
This is what
object-oriented
exactly the meaning
programming
of like what
language.
there
Why?
enterprise
Because
application or
it able to
distributed
represent
application.
the
That's okay,
total
fine.
data, complete
Right, sir.
data
Now let's
in the
move on to
form
the
of
point here. Now
objects
try to
by
recognize this
following
point
the
now.
object-oriented features. Can you tell
Alright, sir.
me what are the various
What are the various
object-oriented
examples for this
features?
enterprise
No,
application or distributed
class,
application?
object,
In outside market, what are the
encapsulation,
various applications are
abstraction,
available for this?
inheritance, polymorphism, and
If
so
we
on. Message
understand this
passing.
clearly,
They're called as what? They're object-oriented features.
everywhere,
These
in
object-oriented
every
features
domain,
are
in every
achieved,
vertical,
are
in every
implemented
platform,
in Java or not.
enterprise applications are
So
going.
Java is what? They're an object-oriented
Examples I'm telling
programming
to you. Try to understand this
language.
clearly.
Clear to all of you know?
All right, sir.
I'm
Now
going to write
example
the
here I'm
text now.
telling to
Try
you.
to
Observe
understand. Try
carefully.
to understand the point here. What I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Java is an
All
object-oriented
banking applications
programming language.
are
Why?
enterprise
Because
applications.
Java is an object-oriented programming language. Why? Because
Guys, observe carefully.
Java is able to
All
represent
banking
the
applications
complete
are like what they're
data
enterprise applications.
in the form of objects. In the
Next
form
one,
of
after that,
objects by following
all
the
healthcare applications
object-oriented features like
are enterprise applications.
what are these object-oriented features? Class, object, encapsulation. All right, sir,
All
just
what
one
next one
minute.
here?
Now
Apart
you're
from
going to
this,
provide what
all
then?
e-commerce
Encapsulation.
applications.
Then after this, what next one here? Abstraction. Then after this, what
All
next one here?
e-commerce applications
Inheritance.
are
Next
enterprise
one is what there?
applications.
Polymorphism. Next one is what there? Message passing. That's it. So now try to
Banking
understand it
applications. Any
clearly.
example for it? No. All
Java is
banking
an
applications. No.
object-oriented
So for
programming
example,
language.
ICICI
Why?
Bank
Because
or
Java
maybe
is able
like
to
HDFC
represent the
Bank,
complete
everywhere they are using
data
some
in the form of
softwares.
objects by following
Next
the
one, all healthcare applications
object-oriented
are
features
enterprise
like
applications.
class,
I think so that the
object,
healthcare domain is
encapsulation,
not much good in
abstraction,
India, but in
inheritance,
abroad that
polymorphism,
healthcare
message
sector is
passing,
very good.
and so on. If anything
Why?
is
Because
available,
every
and so on.
person's health
That's why,
report
because
must
of
be
that
maintained by the
reason, we
government.
can
So
conclude
government
that
has to
Java is
maintain one
what there?
software
An
to track of
object-oriented
all the
programming
people's health care.
language.
Even not even that.
Is it? All of
In
you getting
India, if
clarity
you
on this
observe this,
point or
some
not?
Apollo pharmacies, if you go there, they're using
Right,
some
sir. That's
softwares
okay, fine. 1 minute.
to find the medicines in the tracks, or to find something else now in the nearby
Yeah.
pharmacy and where that medicines are available.
Right,
See,
sir. This
to
is
trace
the
all
total
these
view of
medicines now,
like
they're
what their
using some software.
object-oriented
So they're
programming
commanded like what their
languages.
healthcare
All right,
applications.
now
Not
tell
only that,
me, what about the
nowadays
third
in
one
every
here?
hospital maybe they're maintaining their
Third
software
feature.
for
What is the third
tracing
feature
or for
actually?
tracking their patients and doctors.
The third feature
Understand guys, what
is
I'm telling
what
you?
their
So that domain is also very good. All
platform
e-commerce applications are like
independent
what their
programming
healthcare, that means
language.
enterprise applications. Can you tell me
Platform
what are the various
independent
e-commerce
programming
applications there now?
language.
All right, sir. Say for
All right.
example,
Nothing, sir. Very
Amazon.com is
simple.
available. Amazon, for the sake of online
I'm
shopping.
asking one question to you. Try
Amazon,
to
like
answer for
what?
it.
Next one is the Flipkart.
When I write a
Like
program
so many
to
like
get
e-commerce
output,
applications are
what
available
we have to do?
nowadays. All these are like what they
I've
are
written a
enterprise
program.
applications.
Then I want to get output from my
Not
program.
only
Then
that,
what I have
now
to
here I'm
do?
telling there
First, I
all
have to compile the program.
insurance applications.
Am I right or
All
not? First, I have
insurance
to compile the
applications
program. After that, I have to execute the
are
program.
enterprise applications.
I need to compile the program. Then after that, I have to execute the program.
Not only
Then
that,
we are
maybe
able to get
all.
output.
Then what
When
next
we
one here?
execute the
Social
program, then
network
only we are able to
applications
get output. Compilation is one task. Execution is
are
another one.
enterprise
Then only we are able to
applications.
get output. Am I right or not? For what purpose compilation? For what purpose
Not only that,
execution?
all
That we are going to understand.
food
Don't worry
delivery
for it.
applications.
All right, sir. Now listen carefully, all of you know.
All food delivery applications are like what there?
If
Enterprise
any
applications.
programming language,
All food
listen
delivery
carefully.
applications
If any
are
programming
enterprise
language
applications.
allows its applications
Like
to
this, so
perform
many. If you observe this number,
compilation,
then So many
and
examples
execution
we are able to get.
on the same operating system.
Everywhere, every domain, all these are like
Compilation
what there?
and
Enterprise
execution must
applications.
be
I'm telling you
performed on the
clearly how
same
many
operating
applications are
system.
enterprise applications in
Then
outside
that
there.
programming language
Nearly
is
95%
platform
of the
dependent
applications
programming
are
language, not independent. Platform
95% of
dependent
the
programming
applications are
language.
enterprise
What are
applications
the examples
only.
for platform dependent programming
95% of the
languages?
applications are
C
what
and
there?
C++.
Enterprise applications
C and
only.
C++
All
are
the
what there?
remaining, that means
Platform
remaining
dependent
5% of the
programming
applications are
languages.
what there? Only
Quite
standalone
opposite of it.
applications.
What is it? No.
Java,
If
in the
any
sense J2EE.
programming language
But if you want to know J2EE,
allows its
J2SE is
applications
required.
to perform
This is a clear-cut information about
compilation
required there.
is on one
J2EE. Now
operating
try to
system
understand it. What exactly the points can be
and
understood there?
execution
Alright, sir.
is
Now
on
here.
another operating system.
J2EE, what is the abbreviation
We
for
can
it now?
perform
Java
compilation is on
2
Windows
Enterprise
operating
Edition
system.
or Java
Same
Enterprise
program we
Edition.
can execute on what there
It will
Linux
cover
operating
server-side
system.
programming.
If it is
It will cover
allowed,
what
if
there?
it is
Server-side
possible,
programming.
then the
It
programming
can be
language
used to
is
prepare
platform
enterprise applications or
independent programming
distributed
language.
applications.
Then the
If
programming
we
language
design
is
and
what there?
execute
Platform
any
independent
application
programming
on the
language.
basis
All of
of
you get my
client
point
server
here?
architecture
All
or
right.
by
Now I'm telling
distributing
to you
application logic
example for
over multiple
platform
machines,
independent
then
programming
that
language is
applications are called
Java. Our
distributed
example, direct
applications
example is
or
what there?
enterprise
Java. Not
applications.
only Java, Python is
95%
also
of
a
the
platform
applications are
independent.
what their
Dotted is also
enterprise
a platform
applications only.
independent. That we have to
Right,
understand
sir.
clearly.
Examples for
All
that
right, sir.
enterprise
Now
applications
observe
here we have given
carefully.
clearly. So many
Java
examples
is
are
a
available. Right, sir. Now this is another
platform
thing here we can understand.
independent programming
Next one is
language.
after that. The third module in
Java is a
Java.
platform independent programming
J2ME
language.
or
Why?
Java
Because
ME. Java
Java
ME.
allows. Why? Because
J2ME or Java ME.
Java
Observe carefully.
allows its
At least we need to understand some
applications
points about this
to
J2EE,
perform
J2ME or Java ME.
compilation, to perform the
Alright, yes. All of
compilation,
you observe carefully.
to
First of
perform
all,
the
what is this abbreviation
compilation
actually for this
in one
J2ME or
operating
Java ME?
system
We can
and
understand
the
clearly.
execution
Java
and the
2
execution is in
micro
another
edition,
operating
not mobile
system.
edition. Please remember this. Java
Execution
2
is in what
micro
there?
edition
Another
or
operating system.
Java
Compilation is in
micro
one
edition.
operating
Of course, that
system
number is
and
not
the
available.
execution
Two
is in
number is
what
not
there?
available
Another
nowadays.
operating system.
That's okay,
So
fine. Now.
because
This
of
is
that
Java 2
reason,
micro
Java
edition.
is what there? A
Guys, all of you now tell
platform
me.
independent programming
J2SE will
language.
provide only
Come again, sir.
fundamentals of the
How can
Java.
you say that Java is a platform independent
J2EE
programming
will
language?
provide
What is the reason for
server-side
it now? Tell
programming.
me.
Now,
Java
J2ME
allows
will
its
provide
applications to perform. Compilation is
J2ME
on
will
is in
provide
one operating system and
micro
execution is in what there?
programming, chip
Another
level
operating
programming.
system. So
Micro
because of that
programming is what
reason,
there?
Java
Chip
is
level
what there?
programming.
Platform
Okay,
independent
fine.
programming language. At the same
By
time,
using
can you tell
fundamentals of
me
the
what is
Java, we can
platform
prepare
dependent programming language?
standalone applications. By using fundamentals of
What
the
is
Java,
platform
we can
dependent
prepare
programming language?
standalone applications.
Compilation is on what?
By using
Compilation is on what?
server-side
Compilation and
programming,
execution
we
must
can
be on
prepare
same
enterprise
operating system.
applications.
But compilation is on one operating
Similarly,
system,
by using
execution is
micro
on another operating
programming,
system. Then that programming language is what there? Platform independent programming language.
we will
Is that
prepare
clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? Alright, sir.
mobile-based
But
applications.
internal concepts I will discuss with you later on. No need to worry for it. But
By
what is
using
what? What is
J2ME,
what
we
only
can
here we
prepare
have
what
to
their
understand.
mobile-based
Right, sir.
application
Leave
or
this
mobile
one.
applications.
Then what about the next one, sir? Now tell me.
All right, sir. Then
What about the
is this
next one
mobile
here?
application actually?
Architectural,
What is the definition for mobile application?
architectural
Simple.
neutral programming
If we
language.
design
Neutral programming
and
language.
execute any
No need to have any
application
separate discussion about it.
on
It's almost the
mobile
same as the platform
hardware
independent only.
and mobile
But here the
hardware
content is what there?
or mobile
Hardware
hardware
system we
system,
have to use in place of the
then
operating
that
system.
application,
Just we have to use
then
what
that
there?
applications are
Hardware in
called
place of what there? Operating
are
system.
called
Let's move on to the point here.
mobile-based applications
If any
or
programming
simply
language
mobile applications.
allows its applications to perform
Right, sir. Or simply like what there?
compilation
Mobile
and
applications.
execution on the same
Now observe
hardware
carefully.
system, on the same processor, on the same
Now
hardware
tell
system,
me,
then the
now tell
programming
me,
language is
in this
hardware
case,
dependent
how many
programming
applications are
language.
mobile applications in outside?
Understand my point, Kiran? But
How
what
many
is
applications are mobile
architectural
applications in
neutral,
outside? I'm telling
hardware
to you,
independent programming
100%
language?
of the
If any
applications are
programming language allows its
mobile
applications to
applications.
perform compilation is on
Nowadays
one
in outside.
hardware
How many
system
applications there?
and
100% of the
execution is
applications
on
are what
another
there? Mobile
hardware
applications.
system.
In everywhere,
That's my
mobile
point,
services are
Kiran.
available.
So number of processors are available in
Everywhere we
outside,
can
different
understand like what there?
processors
Mobile
now.
services.
Understand my point, Kiran?
Some
Compilation is
examples
on
here we
one
can see.
processor,
Simple
but
examples
execution
here
is
I'm
on
telling
what
to you.
there?
Observe
Another
carefully.
processor. If you do this, if it is
Right, sir.
possible, then the programming language is
iMobile
what?
app
Hardware independent
in mobile
programming
phones.
language. that hardware independent programming
remember that?
language is also be
ICICI
called as
Bank.
what
If you
there
want to see some ICICI
architectural
Bank
neutral
status or
programming
maybe
language.
something
Here
else
in
like some
architectural
interaction with
neutral,
ICICI Bank, no, they are given one app.
architecture is
Through
what
this
there
app, we can pay the
hardware.
bills or we can get the
Architecture
status
in the
of
sense
our
what
account.
there
We can see the
hardware
transactions of our account.
architecture.
No need to go for
Now
any
I'm
ATM
giving
center.
clarity.
So they are
Java
given
is an
iMobile
hardware.
app. They have
Java
given
is
there
an
directly. That is what
architecture
their
neutral
ICICI
programming
Bank.
language. Why? Because
Observe carefully.
Java allows its
Next one is what
applications
there.
to
My
perform.
idea.
Compilation is on one hardware
My
system
idea.
and execution is on what there another
App.
hardware system.
My
So
idea
Java is
app.
what there an
One
architectural
minute.
neutral
iMobile phone
programming
app
language. All of you
from
understand it clearly. Java is
ICICI
an
Bank. My idea
architectural
app from what year? Idea.
neutral programming
Communications.
language. Why?
Idea communications.
Because
Am I right or not?
Java is an
This is
architectural
another one. See,
neutral
if you want to
programming
pay your
language.
monthly
Why? Because
mobile bill,
because
just we can. If we
Java
install that,
allows
then
its
through that we can prepare that.
applications
My idea,
to
my
perform
Vodafone, my Airtel, like
compilation
this many things
is
are
on
existed.
one
Sir, all of you
hardware
get my point or not?
architecture,
Similarly, like
one
this,
hardware
not only
system or
that,
one hardware
like this, then I
architecture,
book my show.
and the execution
Book my show. App is available or not?
is on
Book
the
my show. App is
another
available or not? That's also
hardware
that's also missing. Next
architecture.
one is like what? This
So because
Swiggy
of the reason here, we can
or
conclude
maybe
that
Zomato.
Java is what there is an hardware. Java is
All
what
these are
there
like what?
an
The mobile applications are
architectural
not only
neutral
that, nowadays might be
programming language. Tell me, sir. I'm asking these questions to you. Now try to answer for
WhatsApp
it
is
now.
available. Now
How
what
can you
next
say
one
that
get
Java is a
Telegram?
platform independent programming language?
Not only that, nowadays might be every day we are
We
using
can
like what there
compile
phone pay,
Java programs in one operating
Pay
system. We
or
can execute the same
Kino,
program
whatever
in
it may
what there another operating system.
right.
Nice.
So next one
How
is
can you
what
say
there
that Java
GPay.
is an hardware neutral? That means
All
architecture
these are
neutral
mobile
programming
applications.
language.
We can understand this clearly.
We can
In so
compile
many,
Java
so many
programs in
levels.
one hardware
So I'm
system.
telling to you
We can
clearly,
execute
observe
the same
carefully.
Java program in what there another
Right, sir.
hardware
In all the
system.
cases, you can
So
understand all
Java
these are
is
like
what
what the
there
mobile-based
architectural
applications.
neutral
Nowadays,
programming
mobile-based applications are
language.
having huge
Got it
demand
or
in
not?
outside.
All right,
The
sir.
demand
Good.
never be down.
The next one is what there.
Day
Observe
by day, it's going to be
carefully.
increased. But
Portable
one small note here I
programming
want to be specified
language.
to you. Now try to understand this
One
note
simple
clearly.
example, all of you
What is
understand
the
it
note
now.
here I'm telling to you? All of you observe carefully.
Portable.
Note up a point
For
here.
example,
Mobile application
10 years back,
development.
I've taken my mobile phone.
application
Then where I've taken a
development has
SIM card,
very good
network
demand.
provider.
Simply speaking, mobile applications
10 years back, if I
Mobile
observe this,
applications
which network
are
provider is
having-
very good, which network
are
is very good
having
in outside, if you observe this,
very good demand.
maybe 15 years back, you can think of it.
Very good
By the
demand.
time, idea,
Mobile applications are
are they aware
having
about
very
it?
good demand, but
Idea, I think
but
at present also it is available, right?
J2ME
Idea,
doesn't have
that network
demand,
is
doesn't
very
have
good, that network
any
provider is
demand.
very good. By the time, that's why
No
I've
demand is
taken a
available
SIM
for
card.
it. Almost all
Idea
is a
network
dead
up to now I'm using.
J2ME.
At the
Due
time
to
of
the-
taking
due to
that SIM
the-
card, I have taken mobile number. That mobile number is like what there's somewhat
The
fancy
number
number I have
of
taken. Think of
alternatives
it. Fancy number I have taken. What's that
for
fancy
due
number
to the
there?
number of
All nines I have
alternatives
taken, for example.
in the form of
Example I'm telling there, but not really. All nines. All
Android,
nines I have taken. For
Apple,
taking that
iPhone,
fancy number, I
Apple
put
iPhone,
some amount
and
of
so on.
money.
So
How
many
much amount of money
technologies
I
are
have spent
available
for it?
to prepare these mobile
So
applications.
nearly
No, so
1 lakh rupees I
automatically,
have given.
gradually, JTME
1
demand
lakh
was
rupees I have
fall
given
down.
for getting all
At
nines.
present, it's
I think
almost
more than
dead.
the cost of that
Nobody's
all nines
using,
is what there?
nobody's thinking
More than
about
more than
JTME.
10 lakhs, I think, so at present.
If you touch any
That
Java
means
developer in
the demand
outside,
is
if you
very
talk
high
with him,
for getting that
how many
mobile
parts are
number. Think
available in
of it.
Java?
1
He used
lakh
to say
rupees
only
I
2 parts
spent
in
for getting
Java,
that mobile
J2SE
number.
and J2EE. Almost all
Days
every
goes
Java
on,
developer
my
might be
requirements
forgetting
are
about
okay, but
JTME.
now the technology is increased there. Now at
Mobile
present, the
application
entire
development is
world is
having very
moving
good
on the
demand
top
in
of what there
outside.
5G.
But
Am I
JTME
right or not?
doesn't have
Entire
any
world is
demand in
moving on
outside.
what there 5G. Now
JTME is
everywhere
what
5G
there
network
almost all
is coming.
dead. No demand
But
is
who are
existed
very
for
good
it.
in 5G network now? Tell me.
Sir,
Who are
all of you get my
providing
point
very
or
good
not?
5G
So this
network
is
actually?
clear-cut information
Two
about
network
like what
providers are
there.
giving effectively. Who are the two members there?
J2, then all
Geo,
the
another one is
modules
what
we can
there?
understand.
HL. These
Tell
two
me guys,
members
all
are
of you now
giving
tell
very
me
good 5G
simple
support.
questions I'm asking there.
But what about
Now
this
try to
idea
answer for my
situation? No?
questions now.
Idea is also
All of
be
you please
providing
recognize
5G,
this.
but not in good
How many
manner.
parts are available in
So
Java?
it is not good, but available, but not good.
Guys, now come on, no
Then we had a
response for me.
thought
How
of
many
it,
parts are
but still
available in
why we are
Java?
using this
3 parts. What are
idea
the 3
network
parts in
provider?
Java?
Why don't we get that?
J2SE,
Then very good network
J2EE,
providers for 5G
J2ME.
and outside. Why I'm
These are the
not
3
going
parts
to
which are
bind
available
with
inside
them? Why
the
I'm
Java.
using still
That's okay,
the
fine.
same idea network?
All right, sir. What is
I
the
have a thought
abbreviation
of
for
it.
J2SE?
Immediately, I want to change it.
Java
Then
to
immediately I need to take
standard
what
edition.
there?
What is the
One Geo
abbreviation for
connection, for
J2EE?
example. Geo network, I need to
Java
take. Geo
2
SIM card here, I need to
enterprise
take.
edition. What's the
But the
application
moment
for
when I go to the
J2ME?
Geo network, when I go to the
Java
Geo
2
store, I
micro
want to get that
edition.
5G. That's why
okay,
here I
clear.
want to take the Geo
Alright,
SIM
sir.
card. Then
J2SE
can you
will
provide the
provide
Geo
what?
SIM card? If as there,
Fundamentals
then
of the Java.
directly
J2EE will
they are
provide
given
what?
a Geo SIM card to me.
Server side programming.
They said to me,
J2ME
we
will
can take
provide
the Geo
what?
SIM card, then we are able to get 5G automatically.
By using
Okay, I've taken
fundamentals
that
of the
SIM card, I've
Java,
given that
that
SIM
is by
card in my
using
mobile phone.
J2SE,
But unfortunately,
what
what
type of
happened there?
applications
The
can we are
new
able to
mobile number
prepare?
is coming.
Come on, what type of
What happened there?
applications
New
can we are
mobile
able to
number is
prepare?
coming. But I
Only
don't want to lose. I
standalone
don't want to
applications
lose
can
my
we are
old
able to
number
prepare.
that
That's
I've
okay,
taken
fine.
as a
By
fancy number.
using
I've taken it. I
J2EE,
spent
what
some
type
amount
of
of money. I
applications we
like
are
that.
able to prepare?
I like very
Enterprise
well about that
applications
number.
are
Very good about
distributed
my number.
application. By
Moreover,
using
all my friends
J2ME,
knows
what type
about
of
that old number
applications we are
only.
able to prepare?
But if it is a
Mobile
new number,
applications.
again everywhere I have to change my
Get my point or
contact.
not? Then what is the ratio of
Yes,
the
sir, got it or
applications
not?
as standalone
So
applications? No,
immediately I've
5%.
asked that
What's the
mobile
ratio of
might
the
be Geo
applications are
store person
distributed
there.
applications? No,
I like my old number
95%. But
without
what's the
changing that
ratio of the
old
mobile
number. Can you
applications? No,
make provide? Can you
100%
please
no.
provide
But
the
no
Geo
demand is
network for
available
me
for
with the
what
same
there?
number?
J2ME. But J2EE
Think
is
about my
having
point.
very good demand.
I
But
don't want to
J2EE
change
is
that old
depending on
number.
what there?
I want to use still the same
So
number,
JTSE is
but
also be
internally,
somewhat
can
dependent.
you
But its
change
direct
the
utilization is very
network
less.
from
But it's a
idea
more
to Geo?
dependent
Is it
programming
possible?
language for
Now you only
J2EE,
tell
not
me,
only
is
for
it possible or not
J2EE, so
possible?
many other
Yes, it is
technologies
possible. How it is
clearly.
possible?
Sir, all of you are getting it
How
or
it is
not?
possible? There
That's
is a
okay, fine.
name. How it is possible?
Right, sir. Then after
That
that,
process
after
name is
understanding
what
these
there?
points, clear,
Number
this is
porting.
the very, very
The
basic
process name is what
introduction for
there?
the Java.
Number porting.
Very,
Number
very
is same or not?
small introduction for the
Number
Java.
is same, but in the
Then after
ground
that, now
what is
let's come
changed
for
here?
our
Network
approach,
provider is
our
changed.
services, behalf of Durga
Number is
Soft.
same, but
Today we are taking
internally
this demo class.
network provider
This
is
basic
switched
awareness I have
from
given on
one
Java
network
and its
provider to
technologies.
another network
Now
provider.
I'm going
That
to
means
talk
idea
next
to
few minutes
Geo,
of
we
time
changed it. Am I right or
what
not?
we are
That
going to do
porting
for
is
this course.
possible. So
What
that
exactly
number
our
is
plan
what
of
there?
action for
Portable.
this course.
That mobile
Right,
numbers
sir?
are what
I'll
there?
explain to you, not trying to
Portable
understand it.
nowadays. Am I right or not? Nowadays that mobile numbers are what there?
Just
Portable.
give a minute
Clear or
of time.
not? Similarly, Java program is a portable program. No other concept. Java program is what there? Portable. How can you say that Java program is a portable? Maintain the same Java program. We can switch from one operating system to another operating system. We can switch from one hardware system to another hardware system. But the Java program is what there? Portable or not? Understand my point? Java program is what there? Portable. Why? Because program is same, but internally operating system, hardware system, all we are going to be changed from one type to another type or not. So there, automatically our Java program is what there? A portable programming language. Java program is portable in the sense. Java programming language is also be what there? A portable programming language.
I want to give some commitments, like some words in first day itself.
All right. Now the point is what
advantages of this course.
Java is a portable
of this course.
programming language. Java is a portable programming language. Why? Because
right, sir. Now
Java
first one
is
here
able
we can
to
understand
Java
that first one
allows
is
its
very, very good
applications.
advantage.
Java allows its applications
All the classes are
to
recording,
run
being recorded,
under
but
all
every class
the
video will be provided
hardware
to you.
systems and
There is
under
no
all
institute in
the
Amirpet is providing
operating
this type of
systems.
support.
Because of this
No
reason, we
institute is
can
providing
conclude
this
that
type of
Java is
support.
what there?
Understand?
A portable programming language.
No institute
One
is
simple
providing
example,
this type
sir.
of support. Only Durga Soft is providing. In
After
Durga
completion
Soft
of this
also,
entire introduction
myself,
part,
I'm giving this
I'll
support.
start steps to prepare
How it
first
will be
Java
advantage
program.
to you
The topic name.
in
What's
the
the topic
case
name
if
there?
you are missing
Steps to
any
prepare
one
first
class
Java program. I'm going to
in
start.
offline or maybe in online, for
Part
example,
of
if you are
the steps
missing
to
any
prepare
one class.
first Java program,
If you want to
I'll
listen that
download
class
Java
again, then
software
what
from
we have to do
internet.
in general,
I'll install that
we
Java
have to wait
software in
for
my
another
computer.
batch. In another batch, maybe
I'll
when the
download
topic
Java
is
software
coming, we
from
have to wait
internet. I
up to
will
the time.
install the Java
It may
software
take 1
in my
month or 2
computer.
months of time. Maybe if it is
When I
dependent
am going
class
to
for the next
install
classes,
Java
again it will be
software,
a problem.
when I'm going to
So
install
to avoid
Java
this
software
kind
in
of
my
problems here,
system,
every
in the
class
process
video
of
recording we are
installation,
providing
the
to
software
even
will show a
offline students
message
and
to
as well
us.
as what their
What
online
message it
students.
is able to show
After
there? Understand
completion
it,
of
no?
this class, within 1 hour
3
video will come.
billion devices runs
Within 1 hour
Java.
video will be provided to you. So we
Come
can
again?
check
What's the
that
point I
video.
said?
If you are missing any
3
class, if we check
billion
that video
devices
and we can
runs
come to the
Java.
next class,
Then
then we
immediately
can
they are trying to give the list of the
cope up with
devices.
that particular
Some
class.
of the devices they are
This is one
given.
thing. Or else
What
maybe
devices if
in
we
the
have
middle
to
of the
there?
course, in the middle of the
Mobile phones,
course, in the middle of the
mobile
course,
phones, parking
have a
signal,
situation you want to
parking might
leave
be
from
parking
IDBatch.
meters. Next one
You
is the
have a
traffic
situation
signaling
you are leaving
system.
from
Next
IDBatch,
one
for
is what there are
example.
some hardware systems
Understand
and
it
so on
clearly
and
what
so
I'm
on.
telling now.
Computers maybe
So in that
and so one and
situation,
so on
the
and so on and
videos
so
are
on. So many
videos will be
3
provided to you.
billion
You
devices
can
are
continue
different
this
different
course.
types
If
of
you're unable to
devices
stay at
are using
Hyderabad,
Java. How it is possible for
Understand it, what
Java
I'm telling
to
you.
run
Right,
run
sir.
under
Then after
3
that,
billion
what
number of
next one here
devices?
I'm
No,
telling there,
is because
all
of
my
its
classes
portability
materials will be
nature.
provided in the form
It's
of like
because
what
of
their
its
hard
what their
copy.
portability
Of
nature.
course,
Java is a
for
portable. That's
online
why
for offline
Java is
students, a
suited
hard
in
copy
all
will be
3
provided. For
billion
online
number of
students,
devices. No,
soft copy will be provided.
this is
Soft
not
copy
my
it's
word
okay,
statement. The
but
Java
hard copy
installation
little bit
process
chargeable.
is giving that
Xerox cost might
information.
be around 2
Remember
people
this
will take
point.
that.
When I'm going to
So we can
install Java,
observe
I
about
will
it,
show the
that
same
cost
point
and
directly.
everything. At the end of
Directly, I'm
each
able to
course,
highlight
at the
that
end
point
of the course,
definitely
you
by
will
the
get
time.
what there
There we are
course
able to understand
completion
it clearly.
certificate
So finally,
with
what
Durga
exactly
Soft
the
logo.
points here we understood there.
With the
Final
Durga Soft
concept is
logo,
what
then
there.
with your
Java
photo,
is a
that
portable
course completion
programming language.
certificate
Why?
will be
Because
provided to you.
Java
That
allows
will be
its
weighted in
applications to
outside.
run
Then
under
you can
all the hardware
show that
systems
certificate
and
in
all
the
the
interviews
operating
also.
system. Because of this
Durga Soft
reason,
is a
Java
branded
is what
organization
there
for
a
training.
portable
So some number
programming
of companies are
language.
having trust on
Is
it.
that got it or
So
not?
if you provide
Like
this
this one.
to the company people, then
Next
definitely
one is
they'll give some weightage
after
for you.
completion of this
Maybe
points here. Next one is
unexpectedly,
what
maybe
there
that interviewer may be
robust
the
programming
ex-student of
language.
Durga Soft.
Java
If it is the
is
case,
a
definitely we'll
robust
check in the same
programming
way, able to,
language.
there is a chance to take you into the
Okay,
respective
then what is the
company.
meaning of this robust
Right,
programming
next one is.
language? That we have to
See,
understand
one more thing
clearly.
I'm telling there, here, campus interviews are going to be
First of
happen.
all, straightforward point,
Of course,
try to
this time
understand
is
it.
somewhat dry season there. But once this month is passed,
Forget
next
about
month
Java
onwards,
and its
companies
robustness.
will come there.
Forget about it. First
Observe
of all,
carefully.
tell me,
Campus interviews are going to be
when
conducted.
a
This is
programming
not job
language
guarantee
is a
program.
robust
We are not
programming
believing in the
language.
job guarantee program, but we
I
can
have
do
a
more
programming
than the job
language.
guarantee program.
When I'm able to say
Right?
my
Then
programming
we
language
don't
is
have
a
any trust
robust
on job
programming
guarantee
language.
program. But more
To
than that,
say
we
a
are going to
programming
provide
language
this.
is a robust
Observe
programming
carefully.
language,
So that's why
what
what I'm telling you
criteria
as
we
part
have
of
to
that,
follow?
we are going to be
What exactly the measurements we are going to
we
take?
are going to provide
What
like what
exactly
the
the
campus
parameters
drives.
we are
We
going
are
to
inviting
recognize?
number of
We are
companies
going to consider
that every
to
company will
say
come
a
there and they
programming
will
language
conduct
is a
some drives.
robust
They will
programming
select the
language.
people. We'll provide
If we
open
come for this
opportunity for
point, I'll give one
everybody.
simple solution.
Even a single NP of cost is not
Everybody
required
understand the points
for the
here.
sake of these drives. Everybody is open
If
platform for
any
every Durga
programming
Sub student.
language,
Only Durga Sub student.
if
Right, sir.
any
For
programming
now,
language is
for all the
having
students, for all Durga
very
Sub
good
students.
memory management system
All right, sir.
and
Then
a
after
very good
that,
exception handling
concepts-wise
mechanisms,
written test will be conducted.
then that programming
For example,
language
today if I
is
complete one
called
topic
a
there, maybe
robust
tomorrow we are
programming
going to have
language.
there one test for checking your
Yes, can you
knowledge.
please tell me
It means
what is
that
such
every
you
day we have
when
to
a
prepare your
programming
content.
language is a robust programming
Right, sir.
language?
If possible,
If
but
any
this is optional,
programming
guys.
language
If crowd is
has
more, we are
very
unable to
good
provide that.
memory management
But
system
max we will try
and
for it. No?
has
Mock
very good
interviews we are planning there.
exception
But
handling
optionally we are going to provide
mechanisms, memory
mock
management
interviews.
system,
At the end of the
exception
Java,
handling
we plan for this
mechanisms.
mock
If
interviews.
both are good
Okay.
in any
So
programming
working with
language,
multiple databases
then
while
that
preparing
programming
applications,
language is
multiple
called
servers,
a
multiple
robust
IDs,
programming
then interview
language.
questions. Interview questions part of the
It's clear to all of you. All of you are
interview
getting
questions
clarity on
will
my
be
points. What I
provided
said to
part
you.
of the course.
Right. Now I'm telling
I'm
to you
typing the
clearly,
notes
observe
clearly, right?
carefully.
In that note itself, I
Java
will
is
type the question
a
and one type
robust
answers also,
programming
along with the
language.
regular dictation.
Java is a
Along with
robust
the regular notes,
programming
then I'm going
language.
to
Why?
provide this.
Because,
Observe carefully.
tell me why?
Then
Because,
another thing is like
why?
what there,
Because
here
Java
we didn't
has
specify that.
a very good memory management
Alright,
system. Next one is what?
all
Java
of you
has
observe
a very
carefully.
good exception handling
Free
mechanisms.
access to
Okay, fine. Why?
the
Because point
classroom
number
notes.
one,
Free
Java has
access to
a
the
very good
classroom notes.
memory
Should I have given link
management
for you?
system.
We can use that
Java
link. Just if we
has a
paste
very
that
good
link in the
memory management
browser there,
system
we are able to see this total
in the
classroom
form
notes.
of
There we are able to see the document.
observe
If we double click
carefully.
on it, automatically the
Java
document
has
will
a
be
very good
open
memory
for you.
management
Understand it
system
clearly.
in the
Not
form
only that,
of
free
heap
classroom
memory management
applications.
system. In the form of
Whatever
what
the
there? Heap
applications
memory
I prepared
management
there, all
system.
these
Observe
applications I'm
carefully.
going to be provided
Heap
to you.
memory
You can access that all the applications,
management
free classroom
system.
applications here we can access.
What is this
Right,
heap
sir?
memory
Then all the
management
details are
system
okay, fine.
actually?
Right. Next one
What
is
is the
guys,
meaning of this
after
heap
this,
memory management system?
what about our plan? What exactly the batches here
It
we
is
started
a
today?
dynamic
Observe
memory
carefully. Today here
management
we started
system.
the batches like what there? These are the batches.
Heap memory management system, it is a what there? A
Batch
dynamic
1,
memory
core Java.
management
Only if you are
system.
thinking about only core Java,
Sir,
just
all of you
okay,
get
we
my
can
point or
start
not?
today.
So,
Batch to basic
Java
Java,
is
where core
using a
Java is
very
a startup
good
course.
memory management
Advanced
system in
Java,
the form
hierarchy
of
and basic
heap
UI.
memory management system.
Now
It
this
is a
is like what the
dynamic memory
basic Java.
management system. system.
Batch
So
3,
what?
complete
What is the
Java
advantage
package.
of this dynamic memory
The complete
management
Java
system?
package is like what there?
All right, if we
Core
come for
Java,
this point,
Advanced
I'm
Java,
giving
Hibernate,
clarity there.
Spring, Spring Boot,
It is a
microservices,
dynamic
web
memory
services,
management
Oracle,
system.
basic UI. 9 courses
It
are available under like what there? Complete Java
allocates
package.
and
Last one is
deallocates,
what there? Full stack Java.
allocates
Core
and
Java, Advanced
deallocates
Java, Hibernate, Spring,
memory
Spring
for
Boot,
the
microservices, web services,
objects. Object is nothing
Oracle,
but memory
basic
block
UI,
only.
Angular or
Right.
React
It
JS, Linux,
allocates and
AWS, DevOps,
deallocates memory
testing
for the
tools. This many,
objects
14 to 15
at
courses are available.
runtime of the
Right, so nowadays this full
applications
stack Java is a
as per
trending in
the
outside.
requirement.
Every company is looking for what their
Right, sir?
full
Java
stack
has a
Java.
very good memory management
Right.
system
Now
in the
here,
form of
my
heap memory management
participation in all the
system.
cases is
It is
what
a
there.
dynamic memory
Java
management
part
system. It
completely I will take
allocates and
responsibility.
deallocates memory for the
Myself
objects
is
at
responsible for
runtime
what
of the
there, the total
applications
Java.
as
That
per the
means
requirement.
core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate,
While
Spring,
executing
Spring Boot,
our program,
microservices,
if we need
and
memory
web services, all
allocation,
these
our
things
heap
I'm going
memory
to take.
management system is ready
Remaining
to allocate memory.
courses would be taken by
Already
some
memory
other
is
trainers
allocated
at
for
Durga
one
Sachs.
object. I want to
Of course,
describe that
morning to
object.
evening
I
batches
want
are
to
going to be
deallocate
stored for
memory
other
for that
trainers
object.
regarding these
Our
basic
heap
remaining
memory
things. No?
management
Then you can
system
join
is
with
ready
any other.
to
But
remove
my
memory
courses
for
will be
the object.
provided in this way.
If we require memory,
Yes, sir.
it is
Allah
ready
forget
to
it or
allocate.
not?
If we don't
Okay,
require
fine.
memory, it is
All
ready
right,
to
sir.
destroy that
Now
memory.
let's understand the point
Then this
here.
entire support is available at what
Listen
time?
carefully.
Not
One
at
more small
compilation time.
point here
At
I'm
what
telling
time
to you.
there? Runtime of the application. So
All
because
of
of
you
that reason,
understand this.
that memory allocation is nothing but dynamic
Guys, observe
memory
carefully.
allocation. That memory management system is called as what there? Dynamic memory management
If you observe
system.
this
The
core
dynamic
Java,
memory
that means
management
JDSC in
system
the sense
is an
like what
advantage
there,
or
core
not?
Java. If you observe this core Java,
Static memory
some
management
topics are
system is
available.
available. At compilation
Introduction is
time,
one
providing
topic.
memory allocation. The static memory
Understand it.
allocation.
Introduction is
At
one topic.
compilation time, if you provide
And
memory,
the second
the
one is
total
like what
memory,
there.
it may be used, may not be used totally
Steps
at
to
runtime.
prepare
There's a doubtful case.
first
Memory
Java
wastage is
program.
going to be happen in the
And the
case of the
third one is
static
like
memory
what there,
management system.
language
But
of
if you go for dynamic
fundamentals.
memory management system,
Language
as per the
fundamentals.
requirement only, we are
After this
going to get the
language
memory.
fundamentals,
If you
next
don't
one is
require
fourth
memory,
topic is
if you
what
don't
there.
require the
Oops.
memory allocation,
Oops
not required to
concepts.
provide memory allocation. If we need
Right, sir.
memory
And so
really,
on,
then
and
only
so on,
memory
and so on.
allocation will be
Almost all
provided. So
nearly
in dynamic memory
36 or
allocation,
37,
memory
the topic is
utilization
like
will
what
be
there.
effective.
Java
But in static
19
memory
version
allocation, what
features.
happened? For example, 100 bytes of memory
See,
we
one of the
assign at
advantage
compilation
with
time.
my classes
But the
is
total
what
100
there. Here we
bytes
have
of
not
memory,
specified that
whether we are
advantage
going to
there.
use it or not, that is
We are going
dependent
to
at
be
runtime.
covered.
May
We are
not be
going to
used
be
100%ly, may not be used
up to
100
the
bytes of memory,
up to the
maybe 40 bytes
latest
of memory
version
we
of
are
the
able to
Java.
use, 50 bytes of memory we are able to use, but not 100 bytes of
Up
memory.
to the latest
But
version
remaining
of the
50 bytes
Java.
of memory is a wastage or not? So
As
that
of
is the
now, what is the
problem in the
latest
case of
version of
what
the
their
Java?
static
19th
memory
version there. So
allocations.
up to
Memory
latest version
wastage
here
is
I'm
going
going
to
to
be
be provided.
happen in the
Observe
case of
carefully,
static
guys.
memory
All right,
allocation.
sir.
But in the case
Now
of
here,
dynamic
out of
memory
all these
allocations,
concepts now,
no memory wastage is
from
going to
which
be
topic
happen.
onwards our
As
actual
per the
Java will start?
requirement, on demand
From
only,
which topic
memory is
onwards
going
our
to be
actual Java will
provided.
start?
So
Right
memory
from
will be
whoops.
utilized
From
effectively
object
in the case of
orientation
what their
onwards,
dynamic
Java,
memory
actual Java will
management
start.
system.
But before that, the three
Fortunately,
topics are like
Java
what
has the
there? What are the
dynamic
three
memory
topics now?
allocations.
These
Java has the
three
dynamic
topics are
memory
only
management
foundation.
system. The dynamic
People are
memory
coming from
management
different
system
backgrounds.
is nothing but what
So
their
to
heap
keep
memory
track all of them
management
into a
system.
single line, I'm
Is it
going to
got it or
take these
not?
three topics
So,
there.
in
Nothing.
the
They are
point of
very,
memory
very
management
fundamental.
system,
So
Java
the
is
first
very
topic
good.
is total
So we can
introduction, it's
conclude
totally
that
theoretical
Java is
part.
what there a
Differences
robust
between Java and other
programming
programming languages
language.
and all.
Yes, sir.
Java
Allah, forget
features
my
this
point
kind
or
of
not?
theoretical concepts.
Let's
This is
coming to
what
the
they
second
how to
point. What
compile
is the
program
second
and how
point
to
here?
execute program, how to save Java file. Just
Java
fundamental.
has
I
a
think so
very
already
good,
you are aware about these points there previously. But
very
still, I'm
good
going to talk
exception
one time.
handling
Next one is
mechanisms.
what their language fundamentals.
Java has a very
Building
good
blocks of the
exception handling
Java programming.
mechanisms
Like not only
to
Java, any
handle
programming
the
language. How to write if condition,
exceptions
how to write
at a
else part, how to write
runtime.
switch cases,
To handle the
loops, how
exceptions
to
at
write for
runtime.
loops and
So because of
while
that
loop.
reason,
Next
we
one is
can
how to
conclude
write break
that
statement,
Java is
this
very
kind of
good at
concepts
what
we
their
are going to start.
exception handling
But actual
mechanisms.
Java
And
will
one more
start
point
from
I'm
what
telling to
they
you, observe
OOPS
carefully.
concepts now.
Java
Got it or
has
not?
very good exception
Okay.
handling
Now,
mechanisms.
one small
Then
adjustment
here
to all
I
of you
want to
guys. Now
provide
try
that
to
another
recognize
point
what I'm
here.
telling to you.
Java has
All right, sir. Observe
provided a
carefully,
very
guys. All of
good
you know. So now
predefined
here, I'm
library.
taking
What
this
is that,
class
sir?
at 4:30,
Java
right?
has
Am I right
provided
or
a
not?
very good
So
predefined
4:30
library, predefined support
PM to
to
6 o'clock. Here we
predefined
have taken
library to
4:30 PM to 6
handle
PM. Here we have
all
taken
the
there.
exceptions,
So
to handle all the
in
exceptions
this
which
time,
are
4:30 to
coming
6 PM,
frequently,
what I'm going to
which
take
are
the
coming
classes now,
frequently in
introduction
the
part,
Java
next one steps to
applications,
prepare, first
which
Java
are coming
program and
frequently in
foundation,
the
basics.
Java
All the
application.
concepts
That's
here I'm
it.
going to take here.
Now come for
Observe
this point
carefully.
here. Java has a
Right,
very
sir.
good exception
Now
handling
this 4
mechanisms.
o'clock, that is,
Java
this is
has
what the
provided a
OOPS
very
concept,
good
that is
predefined
actual Java.
library to
This
handle all the
topic, I'm
exceptions
going
which are
to
coming
start right from
frequently
what
in
there,
the
can
Java
observe carefully.
applications. Because of that
6
reason, we can conclude
PM,
that
that means
Java is
6
very good at
PM to
exception mechanisms.
7:30 PM.
Java
I'm
is
going
very
to
good at memory management
recognize
system.
the change
And
here.
finally, Java
So
is
only
what
few topics
programming
here I'm going
language?
to
No,
take here.
robust
At which place
programming
there?
language.
In this
Sir,
432,
out of this total
6,
Java features,
but remaining
interviewer may
course,
ask
that
only one
actual
question.
Java
What is that question
complete
here?
course,
Tell
I'm going
me
to take
how
at what
Java
time
is
there
a
no?
robust
6 to
programming
7:30
language.
PM.
How can you say that Java is a
Yes, only
robust
this only the
programming
change.
language?
Apart from
Now
that, I
tell me
don't
the
have
reason
any
for it. This might
problem
be
with
the
that.
question here we are
So
able
only
to
the
get.
point is what they're
Now tell me
fundamental.
here, how can you
That too,
say
these
that
are
how
for
Java
what
is a
they're
robust programming language?
basics. Very,
Because
very
of two reasons. What
foundation
are the two
part.
reasons? No,
That foundation part I'm taking
Java
here,
has
but
very
actual
good
Java will
memory
start
management
from where
system
there,
in the form
at
of what?
which time there, 6
Heap
to
memory management
7:30.
system. What is the nature of the
Yes,
heap
all of
memory
you
management
understanding this what
system?
I'm telling to you know.
It's
I
a
recognized
dynamic
it.
memory
Okay,
management
fine.
system.
Right.
So what
When
what is
onwards,
what
I'm
is its
going to start the
advantage now?
content again.
It
I don't want to kill
allocates
your
and
time by
deallocates
taking much time
memory
for
for
this
the
foundation
objects at
part,
what
sir.
time?
As early as possible, we
Runtime.
have to
Runtime
start
memory allocation is always
our actual
suggestible or
Java.
not?
That's why
Always it is effective
I'm going to
memory
start
management
these
system or not?
classes in
So that's why
next
Java is
week.
very good at what there? Memory
Next week,
management
at any
system.
time. In the
And the
next week,
second
I
one
will
is what
start these
there?
classes there.
Java has
Parallelly,
very
I'm going to
good
take these
exception handling
classes from today.
mechanisms. How can
These
you say
classes are
that
going on
Java
continuously.
has very
Max,
good
these
exception
classes are
handling
going to be
mechanisms?
completed.
No. Java
Maybe
has
then
provided
15
a
days
very
of
good
max.
predefined library
These classes in
to
parallel to these
represent
classes,
and
I'm going to
handle
take these
to
hoops concepts
represent
right
and
from what there.
handle
Next week
all the
onwards
exceptions
and
which are
6
coming
to
frequently
7:30.
in
Maybe
Java
next
applications.
Thursday or
Due to
maybe
this
next
much of predefined
Wednesday,
library
Thursday,
for
Friday. In these
representing all the
days, now I'm
exceptions,
going to start
Java
what
is
there,
very good
this
at what
particular
their
class. Meanwhile, I
exception
will complete.
handling
Meanwhile,
mechanisms.
I will take some part of like
But
what
I
there,
need to
this
give the
introduction
total
classes there
information, but
clearly.
still I want to give more details
Yes, sir.
about
All
this
of you are getting my point
exception
or not?
handling.
What I'm telling
I
to
need
you
to give
clearly.
what is the meaning of
Right.
exception.
So the other schedules here we can
How many
understand
types of
clearly.
exceptions are
And
available?
the
So
remaining
few points are
courses of
available
full
here.
stack
After that,
are
only we are
going to
able
be
to
start
complete
might
this
be
particular
at any time.
content.
We can attend for this
Yes, sir.
clearly.
All of you are getting it or not?
Right.
So finally,
So that
what
means
exactly the
15 days
points
of
here I am
time only
discussing
these
with you up
classes
to
are going to
now?
be happen.
Today just I started
Next
what
week
topics are
onwards,
now
I'm
tell me?
planning for what there. Now these
Java
classes there,
features. Now tell
like OOPS
me,
concepts.
what is the
OOPS is a
requirement of the
starting point
Java
for
features
what there?
topic? Now
Java.
tell me here, what I
As
have
early as
given there?
possible, I'll start the
To
Java. But
describe the
anyway,
nature of the
if you are
Java programming
lack with some
language,
fundamentals,
Java
no,
has
I will take
provided
that
the
fundamentals
following
in what time
features.
there?
What are the
4:30 to
various
6
features which are
o'clock.
provided by Java? Now
Is
tell
that got it or
me.
not? So
Simple,
clearly, now tell
object-oriented,
me what is the
platform
schedule tomorrow?
independent,
That means next
architectural
class when it's
neutral,
going to be happen.
portable,
Next class will be
robust,
happening at
dynamic,
4:30 only.
secure,
But in the
distributed,
next week, while
multi-threaded,
going on these
interpretive,
classes
and
there,
high
in the next
performance.
week,
These
one
are the
particular
overall,
day
what are the various
onwards, I will
pages here
start
we are
what the
having
classes there,
about
no?
the Java.
These
Next one is
classes there.
what?
Object
How can you
orientation
say
here,
that
I'm going
simple
to straight
programming
clearly.
language? Now tell me.
Yes, all of you are
Quick now
getting
tell
clarity on
me,
this or not?
Java
This is
applications
a
will take
schedule,
what?
guys.
Less
Maybe
memory,
after
less
completion of some
execution time.
topics in
Java
core
has
Java,
removed
I'll
already
start
all the
advanced Java.
confusion-oriented features like
Not immediately. Why?
pointers,
Because advanced
multiple
Java required
index,
core
and so
Java
on.
basics.
Java is using
When
which
I'm
type
going to
of
start this
syntaxes? No,
advanced Java,
simple
after
syntaxes
completion of
here.
some
Next
what
one
there,
is
core
Java
Java
is an
concepts, almost up
object-oriented
to after
programming
completion of OOPS
language.
at least.
How?
Minimum
Java
OOPS I
is
have
an
to complete it. Not
object-oriented
even that.
programming
Up
language.
to
Why?
half of
Because
the core Java
Java
if I
is
complete,
able to
no, then
represent
I
the
will start what
complete
there?
data
Advanced Java
in the
classes.
form of
But meanwhile,
objects
we can
by
start
following
with
the
hierarchy
object-oriented
classes,
features.
UI
Tell
classes.
me what are
Whenever
the
these
various
classes are started
object-oriented
there,
features? No,
we can
class,
start that classes there.
object,
We can join with that
encapsulation,
classes. No. Observe
abstraction,
carefully now.
inheritance,
So 4:30
polymorphism,
to
message
might
passing,
be
and
up
so
to
on.
9,
Java is a platform
8:30 or
independent
9.
programming
Just assign
language.
some time
How
for
can you
me.
say that?
Maybe for
Java
Java,
is a
core Java,
platform
or maybe
independent
what next one
programming
there,
language. Why?
advanced Java and
Because
all these things.
Java
My
allows
actual
its
plan is like what
applications
there.
to compile on what?
What I'm
One
thinking as
operating
of now.
system,
My
and
actual plan
execution
is
is on
like what
what?
there.
Another
So this is
operating
my
system.
roadmap
That's
here as
nice.
of now.
Java is an architectural neutral
At
programming
6 to
language.
7:30
What's the
anyway.
point here?
These
Now tell
introduction
me.
classes I'm not
Java is an
listed here, no,
architectural neutral
4:36.
programming
But
language.
6 to
Why?
7:30
Because
what I'm going
Java
to take
allows
there,
its
the remaining part
applications
of the
to
core Java. In the
perform
mid of core Java, I will
compilations
start
on
what
what?
there,
On a
advanced Java
hardware
7:30 to
system,
9.
and
9 in the sense
execution is
not
on
up to
what
the
there?
9.
Another
Maybe
hardware
15 minutes or
system.
20
How
minutes
can you say
before
that
that,
Java
we'll
is a
finish the
portable
session. So
programming
advanced
language?
Java will start there. Whenever
Java
advanced Java is in the
allows its
middle,
applications
after
to run
completion
its
of core
applications
Java, then
under
we'll start
all
what
the
the
operating
Hibernate.
systems,
When
all
Hibernate
the
is in the middle,
hardware
when I
systems. So
complete this
Java is
advanced Java,
what
then I
there?
will
A
start what there,
portable
Spring.
programming
Spring
language.
is Spring
How
about
can you say that Java
microservices.
is a
In
robust
the after
programming
completion of
language?
Hibernate,
Because
then I
of
will
two
start what
reasons.
with their
Java has very
microservice,
good
that
memory
means web
management
services. No.
system in the
This
form
is
of
entire
what?
Java
Heap
part that is
memory
up to me,
management
my
system.
responsibility.
It's a dynamic memory
Entire
management
Java up
system.
to what
It
there, my
allocates and
responsibility. And
deallocates memory
remaining
for the
courses are
objects
going
at
to be
what
taken
time?
by some
Runtime
other
of the
trainers
application.
in our
Which
comfortable
memory
time. We can
management
attend
system
the
is
remaining
effective memory
courses in
management
our
system?
comfortable time.
Dynamic
But
memory
up to 9
management system
o'clock,
is
give some
effective
time
memory
for
management
even
system.
after
Our
15
heap
days
memory
of time,
management system is
4:30
what?
to 6 o'clock
Dynamic
class, we
memory
can join for
management
some other
system.
course, no
Next
problem.
reason is what there?
We
Java
can
has
join
a
with some
very
other course,
good
but 6 to 9
exception handling
o'clock is my
mechanism.
class.
How can
Next
you
to
say that
15 to
Java
15
has
days
very
of
good
time, you are
exception
to assign
handling
for what
mechanisms?
there?
No.
4:30 to
Java
6.
has
That time we
provided
have to
a
assign
very
for.
good predefined library to
Yes, all of you are
represent
getting
and
clarity what I'm
handle
telling there.
all
No
the
confusion.
exceptions which
This
are
is
coming
straightforward,
frequently
clear-cut
in the
information. Very fast
Java
itself I'm confirming to you.
applications.
The schedules are
Isn't
very
it?
much
All of you are
fixed.
getting clarity on this
I'm
points
unable to
now?
violate the
All right,
schedule.
sir.
It's a
Now
max
almost
fixed
all the
schedule
time
there.
is
We can
6:30.
follow this schedule.
Just today, I want to
Right, sir?
stop here. Just only
Continuously
few
come
days
at
of time, 1
4:30.
hour class there.
And
As I
which
given
date I'm
already
going to
information
start
to
6
you,
o'clock classes
within
there,
few
I'll give
days of time,
intimation to
I'll
you.
start our
By that
classes
we
right
can
from
continue. Where 4:30
4
class are
o'clock, 4
completed
onwards,
there.
4
Directly we
o'clock
can come
onwards,
at what
I'll
time
start
there?
our
6
classes.
o'clock.
By the time
Then we can
we are
continue the
able to get
classes. No?
nearly 2
At
and
one
a half hour of
particular
class
point
care,
of
we are
time, I
able
will
to
start
get.
what there? Advanced
Alright,
Java.
understand my point here?
When I
Then don't
complete
worry
some
for it,
topics
but
in
few
core
days
Java,
of
then I'll
time.
plan for
Just to
advanced Java.
have
When I
habituation
complete
for
advanced
our
Java, then I
classes
will
there,
go for
up to
what
few
there?
days of time.
Spring Boot,
I need to
micro
conduct your
services.
class up to 1
Meanwhile,
hour
when I
only, up
complete
to
this core
6:30.
Java, I'll
I'll
start
stop these
what there?
classes. After
Hibernate.
that,
I
4
have a
onwards,
clear
I'm
cut
going to
schedule
start
for
our
it.
classes there
As per the
clearly.
schedule, we are going
Got
to
it what
follow
I'm
the
telling you,
content there.
right? Right, sir.
Got it
That's
or
all for
not?
today. I'll
That's
meet
all,
on
guys. That's
tomorrow.
all for
Tomorrow,
today.
I'll continue the remaining
Then
content.
I'm
Please
going to
remind to
plan for
me
the next
tomorrow.
class.
I need
Today
to
is
give
one
more
demo
explanation on
class.
this
Then the
particular point.
next demo,
Just only point I've given.
next
I want to give
class
some
will
elaborated
be
information about this
on
exception, types of
Monday, guys.
exceptions, the kind of content I will
Next
discuss
class
with
will
you
be on
clearly.
what there?
That's
Monday.
it. Tomorrow after that,
No class
I'll
on
move on to
tomorrow.
what there,
First
the
weekend
remaining
is a gap.
features of the Java.
Saturday and
At
Sunday.
any cost,
Alright, so next
tomorrow we are
class will
going
be
to
on
finish the
Monday.
Java features.
But in
If time
general,
is permitted for me, I
every
will start
week,
what there,
how many classes are
Java
available? You
naming
know,
conventions. There
Monday
is another
to
topic.
Saturday,
Case
classes are
sensitive programming
mandatory.
language, where to use uppercase letters and where to use lowercase letters,
Depending on the
that we are going to
situation,
understand
I may
clearly
plan
on
for
tomorrow.
classes
After
on
that, you may
weekends
go
and
for
maybe
what there,
Sundays, but
Java
not
programming
immediately.
format.
In the
How we are
future, we
going to
will
prepare
provide what
program there,
there?
what
Some
format we
classes
have
on
to
Sundays
we have to
also,
provide there,
definitely.
all the points
In the
there we are
future,
going to
we'll plan for
understand.
some class on what
Got it
there?
clearly?
Sundays
Right, sir.
also.
Thanks for
Also
it. And
carefully guess
tomorrow
what
we'll
I'm
meet.
telling you.
Tomorrow we'll see the remaining
So these are
content.
the
Thank you.
schedules here we can follow there, right? That's all, guys. At 6 o'clock, I have some other class there. Then I will take next class will be on what there? Monday. Directly without failure.
Yeah,
Come
guys,
to the
then
class
tomorrow
on
also we
Monday.
can
On
attend.
Monday,
Manish.
we are
Yeah,
going to
Manish, you can
continue.
attend
Monday, I
tomorrow
will
also.
start
No need to
directly
worry for it.
subject.
The
No demo
same link we
classes.
can use
Monday
tomorrow also.
directly
We
I'm
can
going
use
to
the
start
same link,
what there?
guys.
Core Java.
No
Syllabus
changes
I'm
on
going
this
to start
link.
there
Tomorrow also
directly.
we can use
Right?
the same link. Okay.
That's all, guys. No.
Right.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then
Thanks a lot.
Monday we will meet again. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys, then I'm watching all of your comments. All of your comments I'm watching there. Then every class video recordings will be
Right.
provided.
And guys, those who are in online,
Janvi, then every class video recordings will be provided to all of you. No need to worry for it. Okay,
yeah,
then up to now whatever the
maximum.
classes,
And
just
this
we
is
have
in
taken there.
February
Every
month, maybe
class we are
third
able
week.
to
I'm
get.
planning to start what
Yeah,
there.
thank you. Thanks a
This
lot.
advanced yoga is maximum. Okay. Don't worry. Then guys, then if you have any further doubts or maybe
No.
courses registration and all these things, no, just try these numbers and you can contact with the admin people. The admin people will talk with you regarding that. For Java, minimum 3 to 4 months of time. 3 months minimum I will take, guys. Otherwise, not possible to complete our course. Why? Because huge content I have to cover. So anyway, then after this class, you are able to get a mail where the course duration and course content, everything we are providing there. Yeah, fee structure also we can contact the admin people, guys. So then we can contact the admin people through this, then they will give more clarity on it. Okay. Yeah, for advanced Java is also be almost all 3 months of time I need to take. JDBC server, JSPs, and JSTL and expression language, all the things I have to cover. Okay. Yeah. Guys, then I have some other class there on Monday. I'll put some time for you. I'll explain to you clearly, right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday again. Monday we will see that. Use the same link to attend for the Monday's class. Okay. Monday we will go for the class there. Use the same link. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. So please confirm to me. All of you get me a voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get me a voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please check it. Guys, please can you please tell me all of you are getting my voice on screen? Those who are attending in online, is my voice